In front of me is Naven Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Following that, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and click on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, you can either swipe it to the right or hold it and click on delete button. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!